Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to split screen on Capcut PC. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to drag your two clips into the timeline. Like myself, I am dragging my first clip and the second clip on the second layer. Alright, after that what you can simply do is to move down the opacity of the second clip. So how you can do that is very simple. Select the second clip and then go to the video and basic section and then scroll it down until you find the blend option right over here, and from the blend option you will see the opacity. So I will drag down the opacity to like 40%. Okay, so I now can see the second clip as well. After that you need to adjust the second clip and first clip according to your needs. So I will go with the first clip like this and then lock the second clip so that you can just move the first clip like this. So let's just adjust it real quick. After adjusting the clip, just tap on this option to unlock the track. So after that you need to select the second clip which is on the layer 2. Just select on this and then from the video you need to go to the mask option right over here, and from here you need to select the horizontal, and now you need to adjust the video. So for myself I am going with the loop icon to roll it down, like the rotation, control the rotation. Then you can simply hold the left key in anywhere of the clip to move this like this. Just select it from here to move the icon. Alright, so after adjusting all of this, then you can simply go to the basic section again and adjust the opacity to 100%. So as you can see, we got this. So that's how you can simply create a split screen on Capcut PC. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.